At Germain Toyota of Columbus, you can count on factory-trained technicians, genuine parts, advanced diagnostic technology, and the premium experience you deserve. Germain Toyota of Columbus provides our customers with a variety of amenities, like express service options to get you in and out, manufacturer-recommended tires for safety and performance, after-hours drop-off, complimentary coffee and refreshments, and alternate transportation options are available. On our website, you'll find monthly service coupons and easy online scheduling. Relax in our comfortable waiting area as we aim to take care of you and your vehicle. We know your vehicle better than anyone, here to serve you and your vehicle today. Our amenities go on and on to make sure our customers are taken care of. Call, click, or visit today. We look forward to it.